We found the money first exchanges multiple bank accounts and then it's withdrawn and is then transferred via cryptocurrency.
You would be surprised to know that the overall crime rate in the state of Hyderabad has increased by 4.4%, and this rise is mainly because of the 57% increase in cybercrime. In India in 2021, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka collectively accounted for half of all cybercrime cases. The National Crime Records Bureau's most recent data, which covers 2021, says that there were 52,974 documented occurrences of cybercrime overall. 38% of the crimes were computer-related offences, such as ransomware, identity theft and document tampering. Technological expertise and inadequate facilities to deal with cybercrime have led to a low conviction rate. Combating cybercrime presents a variety of complex and frequently conflicting problems. Even sophisticated contemporary systems can sometimes fall victim to such attacks, as was the case with the 2016 data breach of Indian banks brought about by malware in the payment system of Japanese tech company Hitachi. The 2007 WannaCry ransom attacks in 150 nations. The dark web's and cryptocurrency's anonymity is also advantageous to cybercriminals. Cybersecurity initiatives are undermined by the fact that cybercrimes know no boundary. A similar attack today would be considerably more severe and may deal a catastrophic blow to crucial infrastructure. The worst is found in Uttar Pradesh, which only has 2 special police stations and reported 8,829 cybercrime incidents in 2021. For instance, the number of cybercrime cases in Assam has more than doubled over the past 3 years, yet the conviction rate has decreased from a peak of 15% in 2019 to 2.2%. According to IBM research, the average cost of a data breach worldwide was $4.35 million in 2022, a jump of about 12.7% from 2020 was witnessed. For 12 years running, the healthcare sector has been the greatest loser from data breaches, losing an average of $10.1 million per incident in 2021. The Home Ministry responded to a question from the Lok Sabha by saying that the Indian government works to improve cyber forensic facilities, conduct public awareness initiatives, and develop the competence of law enforcement personnel. This demonstrates the growing threat and the stepping up of effort.
Remember the number 1930 is applicable pan-India, and now we are even making it to the 116, that is the emergency response number.
Keeping up with hackers is difficult for cybersecurity specialists since technology is advancing at a rapid rate. The battle will only intensify.
Hello everyone, I am Amdiayan and we are team Invotex. We are thrilled to present our innovation on the problem statement SIH25173, a conversational semi assistant for investigation and automated threat reporting using NLP. Let's begin with a reality check. According to IBM's Cost of Data Breach Report 2024, the average breach now costs $4.8 million, and organizations take an average of 204 days to detect and contain an incident. Cybersecurity teams using platforms like Elasticsearch and Wazuh faces a tsunami of data over 1.2 million security events per day, with nearly 70% requiring manual investigation. Each second wasted increased exposure to threats and data breach. Worse, the studies from Gartner reveals that 50% of critical alerts are missed simply due to alert fatigue and human overload. Analysts are drawing in dashboards, switching between consoles, and writing complex KQL queries just to find the root cause of the breach. That's where SIEMi.AI changes the game. It's not just another tool, it's an AI-driven multi-agent copilot designed to think and act like a human investigator, powered by artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, and blockchain. SIEMi.AI introduced a network of autonomous agents that collaborate to convert plain English into KQL or Elasticsearch queries, correlate data across thousands of logs within seconds, generate automated visual threat reports with context and reasoning, recover from errors, learn user intent, and continue multi-turn investigation intelligently. Imagine this. You ask, show me all failed login VPN attempts from overseas IPs in last 12 hours. Within seconds, SIEMi.AI visualizes the data, correlate IP origins, detect anomalies, and provide a one-click incident report all autonomously. With seamless API integration, SIEMi.AI fits into existing infrastructure effortlessly. No replacement, no retraining, just pure intelligence added on the top of your existing infrastructure. The impact: up to 70% faster response time, 60% reduction in manual efforts, and massive boost in detection accuracy and minimizing missed alerts and false positive. In short, SIEMi.AI turns chaos into clarity, empowering analysts to move from reactive firefighting to proactive defense. So let's explore tech stack we have used to build this tool and features.
Hi, I am Ananya. Our assistant SIEMi.AI offers complete end-to-end automation for security analysis. First, it supports natural language query translation, which means analysts don't need to remember complex syntax anymore. They can simply type questions like show failed logins yesterday, and SIEMi.AI automatically converts it into optimized KQL or Elasticsearch queries. Second, it enables context-aware multi-turn queries. For example, if the analyst follows up with filter-only VPN attempts, the system understands the context and refines the previous result. No need to retype the full query. Third, we have a dynamic reporting. System generates textual summaries, visual tables, and chart automatically, making it easier for teams to understand and act on insights instantly. And finally, it includes error recovery and intelligent handling. If the query fails to return incomplete data, SIEMi.AI suggests fixes or automatically adjusts the query to ensure accurate results. Overall, this drastically reduces manual efforts, improves accuracy, and delivers faster, more actionable insights for security teams. The next part will be continued by my teammate Uday.
Hi, I'm Uday from Team Innotex, and I'm here to explain about the tech stack we are using to build our tool. And coming to the front end, we are using as the React.js and Tailwind CSS for clean, responsive dashboards. And coming to backends, I'm using Node.js, Fast API for core logic and AML endpoints. And database, I'm using majorly like MongoDB for logs, Redis for cache query context, and local JSON for offline storage. And coming to AI, ML, and natural language processing, PyTorch and TensorFlow for anomaly detection, and Spacey extension for plug and play integration. And coming to blockchain, I'm using a Hyperledger for tamper-proof logs, and ES256 TLSI for encryption. And coming to the deployment, I'm using a Docker containers with the hybrid cloud for optimal online sync. And coming to the visualization, as majorly I'm using a chart.js and Plotly for dashboards, and JS PDF for automated report expert. Coming to the core features of our tool, our teammate Jeevan will explain.
Hi everyone, my name is Jeevan from Team Innotex. Our first feature is Intelligent Natural Language Query Handling. Converts normal English questions into optimized SIEM queries. Supports multi-turn conversations, so follow-up questions are understood automatically. Includes error recovery, suggesting corrections or alternatives when queries fails. This ensures reliable, context-aware investigation and eliminate repetitive query work. Thank you. Next part will be explained by my teammate Vinodini.
I'm Vinodini from Team Innotex. So the next feature in our proposed solution is automated reporting. This feature will help us in providing tables, charts and summarized text within seconds, which will reduce the manual effort put for formatting and aggregating the data. We can also export the report in the form of PDF, or it can be directly viewed in dashboard. We will also provide the feature of real-time alerts and visualization of historical data. These features will reduce the manual efforts put by the team by over 50% and provide the team with actionable insights.
Our third feature is easy integration with existing SIEMs, works with the Elastic and Wazuh via API endpoints or web extensions. Plug and play deployment, no need to change the existing workflows. Supports offline or online environments, ideal for secure organizations. This ensures teams can adopt SIEMi.AI instantly without disruption.
Our final features combine ML threat detection and blockchain security. ML models detect the anomalies in login, network behavior, and in malware. Blockchain stores all the logs and reports in a tamper-proof ledger for audit and compliance. It ensures trust, transparency, and legal admissibility. And also, it's make our AI agent both intelligent and secure.
With SIEMi.AI, organizations can respond 67% faster, reduce missed alert by 50%, automate reporting and investigation tasks, integrate seamlessly into existing SIEMs, both offline and online. By combining AI/ML, NLP, blockchain, and practical integration, SIEMi.AI transforms cybersecurity investigation into fast, reliable, and intelligent workflow. Thank you for watching.